suppose it was music that brought us together. You were at Musical Friends, I was at Musical Friends, and we met up in a bar in Dublin, and that was it.
Was that it?
Well, that was it.
Trying to make it sound a little bit more romantic. Ciarán plays the fiddle and I play the concertina and I dance. And I suppose we would have grown up like both of our families playing music, and a lot of singing in your family and dancing in my family. And but we would have grown up playing different styles, kind of slightly different repertoires. I suppose we've kind of merged a little bit. We tried to merge the two styles a bit now and meet somewhere in the middle.
Oh, well, it's not a melange, as somebody would say. It's more that I play my music and you play your music, and we bend to each other in that way, and we keep the two things going.
Marriage is all about compromise.
This is it, the big C. Missed playing for audiences. There is something about playing music. See, remember all that crack with playing Zoom things and Zoom concerts and playing into your laptop, and you're a sound man, you're a cameraman, you're a musician, you're a performer, you're everything at the one time. That was head wrecking.
Yeah, that was stressful. Most of those we weren't talking to each other and we hadn't even started playing yet, because setting up for it was so stressful.
You have to try to get the kids to sleep, and you can't give them to a babysitter because it's lockdown.
It's COVID.
So we're delighted to be back doing gigs.
Yeah.
Leave the kids at home with Granny and Granda. We'll go out to a few gigs, we'll be delighted. Play anywhere, anytime.